Infinity Galvanised steel guttering installation. Position the fascia brackets at 915mm centres, so using at least 3 brackets per gutter length. Allow a slight fall along the run using a string line between first and last brackets, although this system can be installed level too. Galvanised steel gutter and downpipe lengths can be cut with a hacksaw. A bead connector comes with every EPDM rubber sealed gutter union, used to join 2 lengths of gutter, corners or prefab outlets. Insert the connector halfway into the front roll of each gutter length. Locate the union over the back of the gutter. Leave a 3mm gap between lengths for expansion. Push open the union's locking tab. Locate the clasp over the front roll edge of the gutter. Pull union tight to the gutter and push the clasp down to squeeze shut. Finally, fold the locking tab over the clasp to secure the clasp closed. Locate the back of the fascia bracket over the rear edge of the gutter first. Then pull the front of the fascia bracket up and over the front roll of the gutter. Choose between the wraparound outlet or a prefabricated outlet. Note, this option requires additional unions. To install the push-fit stop end with the EPDM rubber seal, match the front bead edge of the gutter to one ear of the stop end and push the gutter in all the way round to the other ear. This rear ear can either be folded back out of the way or snipped off. No messy silicone is required for a watertight seal. Downpipe should be installed using at least 2 pipe clips per 3 metre length. Mark out the clip's location and level with a spirit level or plumb line. PDF instructions are available to download online. Rainclear Systems, enhancing builds with style and quality. Visit our website at www.rainclear.co.uk.